Hey my cookies, today I'm going to show you how I braise beef short ribs. Let's cook. Here I have my spices that I've mixed together. I have some seasoning salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, and I'm going to sprinkle it liberally over my boneless beef short ribs, and I have about a little over a pound of short ribs. In an oven-safe pan or a cast iron skillet, you want to add in some vegetable oil and get it good and hot. Look, it made a C for coop. Hey, just saw that. I'm so corny. Anyway, get it really good and hot and then add in your ribs. We want to sear them. Give them about a minute or two before you flip them. Just sear it on high heat. Don't mess with them too much. Flip it one time and let it brown on the other side. Another minute. Once both sides have browned, remove them and place them on a clean plate to rest. In that same pan, add in some diced onions and saute them. Once your onions start to get a little color on them, drop in some garlic and give it a stir. Next, we want to sprinkle in some flour and stir it around for a minute to get that floury taste out. Now drop in some tomato paste and stir that around. Now the red wine. I'm using Cabernet Sauvignon. After the wine meets the flour and the heat, it's going to thicken almost instantly. So when you see this, go ahead and add your ribs back into the pan. Now we want to pour in beef stock, and we're only going to cover it until it reaches the halfway mark of the beef. We're braising, so we don't want to completely cover the meat in stock. If you completely cover the meat with liquid, it's just going to boil instead of braise and render that nice sauce. So make sure you only reach halfway. Place a few sprigs of rosemary and thyme on top. Now cover it with foil and bake on 350 for 2.5 hours or until it's fork tender and falling apart. You know how I like it. When it's done, take it out and then cover it and remove those sprigs of thyme and rosemary. They did their job. Cookies, look at this thick, savory sauce. Oh my goodness. You know this is my favorite part. Look how fork tender the beef is. My God. I served the ribs with some thick and creamy smoked gouda grits. Let me know if you want that recipe. And don't forget the sauce. Add that on top. And cookies, that's how I braise short ribs. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Until next time, I gotta eat. Be blessed.